It always seems impossible until it's done. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace. Difficulties break some men, but make others. No axe is sharp enough to cut the soul of a sinner who keeps on trying, one armed with the hope that he will rise even in the end. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. I am fundamentally an optimist. Whether that comes from nature or nurture, I cannot say. Part of being optimistic is keeping one's head pointed toward the sun, one's feet moving forward. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. I dream of the realization of the unity of Africa, whereby its leaders combine in their efforts to solve the problems of this continent. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. I like friends who have independent minds because they tend to make you see problems from all angles. I never lose, I either win or learn. It always seems impossible until it's done. It is in your hands to create a better world for all who live in it. It is what we make out of what we have, not what we are given, that separates one person from another. Money won't create success, the freedom to make it will. Real leaders must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their people. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. There is no passion to be found playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity.